As the crisp air settles in and golden leaves begin to fall, every room in the home starts to reflect the cozy charm of autumn, and the bathroom is no exception. While often overlooked in seasonal decorating, the bathroom offers a unique canvas for fall transformation. Whether it's with subtle accessories, a full seasonal makeover, or a handmade touch, fall bathroom decor can bring warmth, texture, and a sense of calm to your everyday routines. It's about capturing the essence of autumn, the colors, the coziness, the natural elements, and blending them into a space where you begin and end each day. Fall carries with it a quiet beauty, a soft turning of time where the light changes, the air cools, and life takes on a slower rhythm. This shift doesn't just happen outdoors. It can be echoed inside, particularly in those private, reflective spaces where we begin and end each day. The bathroom, though often considered utilitarian, holds surprising potential for transformation during this season of calm and change. Bringing the spirit of autumn into this space is less about display and more about atmosphere. It's about creating a place that mirrors the softness of early evening skies, the calm of wind moving through trees, and the comfort of slowing down. In the fall, the bathroom becomes more than a room, it becomes a pause. A moment carved out in the day to warm up, to reflect, to reconnect. It's in the feeling of depth, texture, and quiet tones. It's in the sense of enclosure, of stepping into a space that honors the season through mood rather than material. Fall bathroom decor leans into subtlety, inviting stillness and introspection. There's a softness to it, not just visually, but emotionally. It speaks not to the eye alone, but to the spirit. This seasonal shift isn't loud. It doesn't seek attention. It settles, gently and thoughtfully, into the corners of our routines, bringing with it the reminder that beauty can live in simplicity, and that peace, especially in fall, often begins in the quietest places. Love cozy autumn vibes? Like and share this video to spread the fall spirit. Fall is a season that lives in the details. In the bathroom, the smallest accessories can set the entire seasonal tone. Think of a rust-colored soap dispenser, amber glass bottles, or brass stone trays that glint like late autumn sunlight. Candles, especially those in scents like cinnamon, clove, or apple spice, don't just add fragrance, they add a warm, flickering glow to countertop vignettes. Hand towels with plaid or leaf patterns, ceramic pumpkins in earthy hues, or even small bundles of dried wheat tucked into a vase can instantly bring a fall mood. It's not about overwhelming the space, but layering textures and tones, a knitted bath mat, a wooden soap dish, or a woven basket filled with pine cones or hand creams. Even switching out your toothbrush holder or tissue box cover for one in a copper, burnt orange, or deep green tone can signal the shift into fall. These accessories are where personality shines. Which fall accent would you add to your bathroom? Comment below, we'd love to hear your ideas. When you zoom out from the close-ups and look at the bathroom as a whole, fall decor can take on a softly immersive atmosphere. Think of warm lighting, textured linens, and neutral backdrops punctuated by autumnal color. A deep mustard shower curtain, framed art featuring fall foliage or harvest scenes, and a plush bathrobe hanging on a wooden hook all contribute to a space that feels like a retreat from the cold. Adding a woven rug in shades of maroon or rust can warm up cold floors, while eucalyptus or dried florals in wall-mounted vases bring in that connection to nature. Wooden shelving can be styled with amber jars, vintage mirrors, and soft white pumpkins, blending elegance with seasonality. The fall bathroom isn't just about visuals, it's about mood. A cozy bathroom gives the impression of warmth and comfort, like a personal spa cocooned in autumn. Using muted lighting, perhaps through a dimmable bulb or a soft glow lamp, enhances that cozy experience. Want more seasonal home tips? Subscribe and get inspired all year round. For those who love hands-on creativity, fall bathroom decor is the perfect excuse to get crafting. One easy DIY is creating your own seasonal wall art. Print out fall botanical illustrations or vintage seed packet designs and frame them in rustic wood. Another idea is crafting a cinnamon stick candle holder. Simply wrap sticks around a jar candle with twine for a spa-like scent and look. You can also make homemade potpourri jars using dried oranges, cinnamon, and cloves. Place them on a shelf or windowsill to add both scent and texture to the space. If you enjoy sewing or fabric work, consider making a simple linen pouch for bath salts with a fall motif, a leaf print, acorns, or even embroidered initials in autumn tones. As autumn settles in, there's a quiet shift that happens, not just outside, but within our homes. The trees shed their leaves, the air turns crisper, and the light starts to soften. It's in this season of change that we naturally crave warmth, softness, and a deeper sense of comfort. And while we often think of decorating our living rooms or front porches for fall, the bathroom is a space that deserves that same seasonal care. It's a place we enter in the early hours of morning, eyes still heavy, the world not quite awake. It's where we close the day, washing off the stress and slowing down before sleep. By infusing this space with autumn's palette and texture, we turn a daily ritual into a seasonal experience. The goal isn't extravagance, it's intention. Seasonal decor enhances these moments. It reminds us that even the smallest corners deserve beauty. It reminds us that coziness is not a luxury, it's a form of kindness we extend to ourselves. There's something especially grounding about decorating a bathroom for fall. Because it doesn't shout, it whispers. It doesn't rush, it lingers. It doesn't demand, it offers. And in a world that moves quickly, there's value in the slow. In warm amber light at the end of a long day. In the way textured towels feel against skin. In the comfort of knowing your home is a reflection of your inner world. A fall bathroom is not just about style. It's about atmosphere. It's about intention. It's about tuning your surroundings to the rhythm of the season. And autumn's rhythm is quiet. It's reflective. It's earthy. It's calm. So whether you've added a few dried florals to the windowsill, or reimagined the whole space with golden tones and woven textures, you've created something meaningful. Something that doesn't just look like fall, but feels like it. It's there in the softness of a bath mat under bare feet. In the scent of cinnamon soap. In the hush of candlelight. In the stillness of steam rising in a room that now feels like a seasonal cocoon. Fall reminds us that beauty can be simple. That comfort can be curated. That everyday routines can become rituals of warmth and presence. And your bathroom, no matter the size, can hold all of this. It becomes a place to reflect, to rest, to reconnect. A space where fall lives quietly, beautifully, and completely. And as the days grow shorter and the nights grow cooler, that space will welcome you every time. Not with fanfare, but with the soft, steady heartbeat of the season itself.